Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix a hard disk space usage bar not showing in Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. Method 1. You just need to open up File Explorer. Click on this view on the top and select this titles, and after that select three dot icon and select options. Select a view tab and select restore defaults option and select the play and OK for save changes. Now you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, then let's move on to the method 2 guys. Method 2, you just need to check my video description for this link used in my video. Select the download option and download the registry file, and it started downloading. After getting download done, you just need to go to search menu and type registry editor, click on open it, select yes. Now check my video description for this registry path, just copy and paste it and press enter. On left side, make sure you select a drive, and now you just need to select a file on the top and select import, and now you just need to select the registry we downloaded and select open, and now click on OK. On right side we have added the title info, as you can see. Now you just need to close stuff here and open up File Explorer and go to this PC and just refresh this page and see if it is resolved. If it is not resolved, then you just need to restart your PC guys. After restarting your PC, your problem should be fixed guys. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.